Hello everyone, welcome back to our Java tutorial series. Today we are going to start a very important topic in Java that is called object oriented programming, or I can say OOP concept, or somewhere we have also here the OOPS concept. So as you know, Java is an object oriented language, and learning this principle will give you a strong foundation of writing scalable, efficient and reusable code. So in this video, we'll introduce the key concept of OOPS and we will see how it is going to help us in the future. So what is object-oriented programming? OOP stands for object-oriented programming. It is a programming paradigm that focuses on using object to design and build application. These objects represent the real-world entities and help organize the program in more efficient way. By grouping data and behavior together, OOP will make the code more modular, flexible, and easy to maintain. Please do not worry about what is object and class. Definitely will cover everything. So currently they have four major principles that is going to define the OOP. And for now, I'm just going to give you a glimpse, but I will cover in detail in upcoming videos. First one is called encapsulation. Encapsulation bundle the data and method that operate on the data into single unit, or I can say class, and keeping things organized. So you can see this image. It is a simple example of encapsulation. It is like a capsule that is containing everything method and variable, and the capsule is called class. Inheritance. It allows code to reuse where one class can inherit the properties of another. That means you can get the feature of parent one. So like how we got genetics from our parent. Polymorphism. It enables one method or operator to perform different based on the context. So here you can see one interface can be utilized at so many places. That means one method can perform differently on different contexts. Poly means more than one form. So steering can be in one interface, but the implementation on different vehicle will be totally different. Abstraction. It will hide the complex detail and expose only necessary part to the user, like the currency I can say, or a simple example is our smartphone. You don't know what is happening inside, but we are just seeing like what is the necessary things we have to see, but we don't know what is the hardware, how it is working. Why object-oriented programming? Object-oriented programming helps in real-world application development by making code reusable, maintainable, and easier to debug. Instead of writing lengthy code, OOP allow us to break the problem into smaller and manageable pieces that interact with each other. For now, we just understand it is feature of OOPS. So I just told like we have four principles, but how it is going to benefit us. So encapsulation means binding into a single unit. Inheritance means inherit the properties of another. Polymorphism means one method or operator to perform differently. Abstraction means hiding the complex data and exposing the necessary parts. So four principal example we already saw, and this is a small definition for you guys. So Java is fully object oriented language, meaning almost everything in the Java revolves around object and classes. In Java, you create a blueprint called class, and based on the blueprint, you create a object that represents the specific instance. So what is class? Class is a template or blueprint of creating object, and it defines the properties and the behavior. Properties means fields or variable, or behavior means method, and object is an instance of a class. When you create a object, you are binding the class to the life with its own specific value. And the last one is called method, function defined inside the class that describes the behavior of the object. That is called method. So you can take example as a dog is a class, and in the dog, color, age, gender, breed, these are the characteristic of a dog. That means the properties are variable, and dog having behavior like eat, sleep, sit, run, all these things are behavior. So I can say here it is a method. For now you can just understand like this. So this is a small glimpse of object oriented programming language. So what are the things we are going to see in upcoming videos? So we are going to talk about classes and object. We'll try to see the example with the code. Then we are going to see the constructor, how we can use a constructor to initialize the object. Then method, we are going to learn how to define and call the method, including method overloading and overriding. Then inheritance and polymorphism. So we'll see how inheritance and polymorphism works. Then abstraction and so many things is coming. So that's it for today video. See you in next video.